Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to repair a crack on the bar top of your Tiger River spa. Here are the parts you will need. Bar top crack repair, granite surface repair. Here are the tools you will need. Hammer, shims, safety glasses, respirator, gloves, sandpaper, spray bottle, Dremel tool with grinding stone and cutting wheel, acetone, rubbing alcohol, and clean wiping cloths. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Drain the spa. Step 3. Use a hammer to tap in a shim on each side of the crack. The wedge is to create an opening on each side of the crack between the bar top and the front paneling. Step 4. Put on your safety glasses. Step 5. Install a grinding stone on your Dremel tool and route out a crack at a 45-degree angle. Terminate the crack by removing all the material and opening up the ends. This will prevent further cracking after the repair. Step 6. Put on your latex or nitrile gloves. Step 7. Sand the underside of the bar top crack with 40 grit sandpaper. Step 8. Wipe down the sanded area with acetone, mineral spirits, or lacquer thinner. Step 9. Put on your respirator and safety glasses. The zip patch vapors are extremely strong. Step 10. Open the Devcon zip patch bar top crack repair kit. Cut out a section with scissors. Step 11. Spray the zip patch with the activator and wait until it darkens. Step 12. After the zip patch darkens, install it underneath the bar top crack. Step 13. Spray it again with the activator. The cure time is approximately 60 minutes. Step 14. Trim off the excess zip patch with the Dremel cutting tool wheel. Step 15. Remove the shims. Step 16. Sand the bar top crack with 40 grit sandpaper. Be sure to remove all debris in the crack. Step 17. Clean the crack with rubbing alcohol. Step 18. Open the Multitech acrylic repair kit and follow the instructions carefully. Step 19. Add 30 drops of component B per each half ounce of component A. Mix thoroughly with the wooden stirrer. Use immediately since it will harden within 15 minutes. Step 20. Fill the crack with the acrylic resin to slightly below the spa surface. Allow to cure for 5 to 10 minutes. Step 21. Fill the crack with the acrylic resin a second time. The filling should still be below the spa surface. Allow to cure for 5 to 10 minutes. Step 22. Immediately fill it again a third time so that the fill is slightly above the spa surface. Step 23. Allow a few minutes for curing and then begin wet sanding with a progression from 40 to 400 grit wet dry sandpaper. Step 24. Pour the K2000 top coat into a mixing cup. Add the hardener in the ratio of 1 part hardener to 3 parts top coat. Apply the mixture to the repaired area by dabbing it with a small paintbrush. Allow up to 7 days before filling the spa with water, and keep the surface dry to prevent damage to the repaired surface until it is ready to be filled. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.